How does pelvic floor tightness contribute to the appearance of prolapse? When you have a muscle and it is not tight, then it is nice and long and flat. And when we have a muscle that's tight, let's say we maybe have some scar tissue or we're holding lots of tension, so that tension creates a bunching effect. So when we think about that bunching effect, we can think about it bunching the muscle, or scar tissue putting tension on the muscle. And so when we get that, we don't think lift up and hold better from that kind of tightness. We think squishing out, much like an accordion. So when you think about a tight pelvic floor, think more about that accordion effect, how when it tightens or pulls together, it actually bunches out. So you can imagine if this was pelvic floor and this was prolapse, do you see how as you tighten, you bunch and push out more? And so that is how tightness contributes to the appearance of prolapse.